Hey there, what's up? And in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to insert a table of contents in Google Docs. So first of all, go to Insert, and there will be an option for table of contents with page numbers or with links. Uh, Usually the preferred choice is with page numbers, so we're going to click that. And so you need to add a heading, uh, okay, in front of a paragraph, and then they will appear in your table of contents. So let's just name this chapter. What should we name it? Example. Here. Example. Okay. We have to make that a heading. You can choose heading 1, 2, 3. I'm going to choose heading 2. Example. Okay. After you do that, go to the update, and then you'll see example 1. And this is the first page. So um, that's why it says that. And then if you, here, let's copy this again. If you go on to the second page and do the same, let's make this example number 2. Example 2. And then you're going to make it a heading, same, and then go here, update it. Example 2 is on page 2. So, and you can also press it. So if you press example, you can go there. Example 2 brings you there.